I have started the recording also. Let us see. 136.7. Okay. So what is the place value of this 6? Before decimal it is ones, then tens, and this one is hundreds. Yes or no, my dear? Then after decimal it is tenths. We use THS. Who is doing that? Screen is clear. Screen is clear. After decimal it is tenths. THS. Okay. So yeah. What is the place value of ones? What is the place value? 1. Then tens 10. Then hundreds it is 100. What is the place value of tens? Tens means it is 1 upon 10. So to write down them in the expanded form, what we do? We might 100, 1 is at 100 position. So this we write 1 into 100, 1 into 100 plus 3 is at 10th position. So 3 into 1, 3 into 10 plus 1 is at 6 is at 1 position. 6 multiplied by 1, then plus 7 is at 10th position. So 7 multiplied by 1 by 10, that is 7 upon 10. Yes, 7 multiplied by 1 by 10. So this we write 1 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1 plus 7 into 1 upon 10 will be 7 upon 10. And this is the answer, expanded form. Yes, clear? Yes, so this is the expanded form. Screen is clear, my dear. Then 29.54. Chalo, second one. B. 29.54. 29.54. Okay. 29.54. You have to write down that in the expanded form. It is clear, my dear. 29.34. Yes. 29.34. Position of 9 is ones. Position of 2 is tens. Then after yes, write down. After decimal it is tens. After decimal it is tens, and then 4 is at hundreds. 4 is at hundreds. THS. So tens means 10. Ones means 1. Good morning means good morning. 1 upon 10. Tens means 1 upon 10. Good morning. Then hundreds means 1 upon 100. Whenever it is THS, it is 1 upon 10. Hundreds means 1 upon 100. So let us write down this. Multiply 2 by place value of that. So 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1 plus 5 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 upon 100. Okay. So this I can write 2 into 1 by 10. 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1 plus 5 into 1 by 10 will be 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10 plus 4 into 1 by 4 upon 100. 4 upon 100. Chalo, right. Okay. So this is the expanded form. After decimal it is tens, hundreds. Screen is very much clear. It is very much clear. If I will change the setting, then it will get disturbed. Setting I cannot change. Screen is clear, my dear. Okay. Now 398.142. C will be homework. 398.142 142 will be homework. 398.142 will be homework. Then D is 1.008. D is 1.008. B is 1.008. B is 1.008. Okay. D 1.008. 1.008. Okay. Yes. So let us see what is position of 1. This is ones. This 0 is tenths. THS. This 0 is hundredths. And this 8 is this thousands. THS. Okay. So ones means it is 1. Tenths means 1 upon 10. Hundredths means 1 upon 100. And thousands means 1 upon 1000. Okay? Side of this. 1 upon thousands. So let us multiply 1 by 1. So 1 into 1 plus this 0 is at 10th position. So 0 into 1 by 10. 0 into 1 by 10 plus 0 into 1 by 100 plus 8 into 1 upon thousands. 1 upon 1000. Okay. So this you can write okay. So this will be 1 into 1. 1 into 1 plus 0 multiplied by this. 0 multiplied by this will be 0. 0 multiplied by this will be 0. Okay. So this is 0 upon 10 plus 0 upon 100 plus 8 upon 1000. And this is the expanded form. This is the expanded form. Okay. Now next is write the short form of the following. Sixth one. Write the short form. Short form means from expanded form you have to write down the number. And in fifth one we have done from number how to write down the expanded form. Okay. Now sixth one. Write the short form. Write the short form of the following. Write the short form. Write the short form. Short form means you have to write down the number. That's all. Write down the short form of the following means you have to write down the number. First it is 700 plus 20 plus 5 plus 3 upon 10 plus 9 upon 1000. Okay. So this we write 700, we can write 7 into 100 plus 20 I can write 2 into 10 plus 5 I can write 5 into 1 plus 3 upon 10 I can write 3 into 1 by 10. Now see here, not dear, my dear, see here, between 10 and 100, 10 and 1000, 100 is missed, no? Between 10 and 1000, 100 is missed. So for 100 what I will write? I will write 0 into 1 upon 100. 0 into 1 upon 100. Between 10 and 1000, 100 is missed. So 1 upon 100, for 1 upon 100 we take as 0. 9 into 1 upon 1000. Okay, whichever is missed, that you can take. Clear? Chalo, ठीक. No, see here, between 10 and 1000, 100 is missed. So for 100, I will take this as 0 into 1 upon 100. Okay, so that is remember. So let us write 309. Yes. 309, because between 10 and 1000 100 is missed. For 100 I will take 0. Now what are the numbers? What are the numbers? 725, 3, 0 and 9, because between 10 and 1000 100 is missed. So so 725, for 1 upon 10, for this number 1 upon 10 we write decimal. Decimal 3 into 1 upon 10 means 10th position 3, 100 position 0, then 1000 position 9. 725.309 is the answer. Yes, between 10 and 1000 100 is missed. For 1 upon 100 you will take the coefficient as 0. Yes, understood. Do not directly write 39. It is not 39 because 1 upon 100 is missed. The next is 100 plus 8. Next is 100 plus 8. Next is 100 plus 8. 100 plus 8 plus 3 upon 100. Okay. B. 100 plus 8 plus 3 upon 100. 100 plus 8 plus 3 upon 100. Okay. What you can write? C. 1 upon 100. Okay. 100 you can write 1 into 100. Then see here. 8 is at which place? At 1's place. So between 100 and 1's 10 is missed. Between 100 and 1 10 is missed. So 0 into 10. We write between 100 and 1's 10's is missed. So for 10's we write 0. Plus 8 I can write 8 into 1. After see. After no wait. After 1's directly we have 1 upon 100. After 8 we have 1 upon 100. Means which is missed? 1 upon 10 is missed. So 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 3 into 1 upon 100. Are you getting? So this 1, 0, 8, 0, 3. So this we write 108. 108. For 1 upon 10, before that we write point. 0.03. 108.03 is the answer. Yeah. Yes, understood? Between 100 and 8, once tens is missed. So for tens we write 0. Screen is clear, my dear. Every period you are having that problem. Yes, so everything is clear. You are maintained. Chalo, let me take to the left. That I can do. But if data is over, something is not there, nothing can be done. Okay, chalo. Next is 5 upon 10. C is 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100. 6 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. 4 upon 1000. Yes. Now this is 10th position. Before 10th we have ones, no? Before 10th we have ones, but that ones is not there. So that I will write 0 into 1 plus 5 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100 plus 4 into 4 upon 1000. 4 upon 1000. So this I can write 0 into 1 plus 5 upon 10 I can write 5 into 1 by 10 plus 6 upon 100 6 into 1 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000 4 into 1 upon 1000. Before 10th once is missed. For once I will take 0. So this is 0, then 5, 6, 4. So before 10th we have decimal. So 0.0, then before 10th 0.564. 0.564 is the answer. Everything is clear. 0.564 is the answer. Now 60 plus 6 upon 100. 60 plus 6 upon 100. 60 plus 6 upon 100. Yes, 60 plus 6 upon 100. D. Should I give D homework or? चलो ठीक है. D 60 plus 6 upon 100. Okay. Now 60 means this is at tens position. So 60 I can write 6 into 10. Then after 10 position, which is we have ones, but ones is missed. So that I can write 0 into 1. Then directly we have 100. Before 100 we have tens position. So it is not there. So 0 into 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 upon 100. Okay. So this is tens position is 6, 0, 0, 6. So what is that? Tell me. Yes, what is that? 6. Then ones position is 0. Before 10th position we have decimal 0, 6. 60.06 is the answer. 60.06 is the answer. Then E is 8. This I am going to give homework. 8 plus 8 upon 10 plus 8 upon 100 plus 8 upon 1000. Okay. This is very much simple. 8 you will write 8 into 1, then it will be 8.888. Yes, that is the answer. So this is homework. Okay. This will be homework. Now write the following in the place. Yes. You can do in the short form. But you show that part, my dear. Calculation part you show. Don't write directly 8.888. First you will write 8 as 8 into 1. Now write down the following in the place value chart. 7th one. Write the following in place value chart. Write the following in place value chart. Place value chart. Okay. Write the following in place value chart. 0.89. Okay, see that. 0.89. See, what is the place value chart? Let me write everything in the place value chart. Yes. What is the place value chart, my dear? In the center we have decimal. Correct? Then tens. Tens means make this. Tens means 1 upon 10. 100 means 1 upon 100. Then this side we have 1 upon 1000. Okay. Then this side we have ones. Then tens. Then 100. Then thousands. Make this chart. This side we have this side we have 1000. Okay, make this table. And we will solve all the problem together only. All the problem we will solve together. A, B, C, D. Let us first see A. Make this chart. First is 0.89. A. 0.89. So where will be 0? Tell me. A. 0 in ones place. 0.889. It is clear. 0.89. Then 186 point. Yes, you can expand the chart. 186.234. 186.234. Let us solve this. B part. 186. 100. 1 will come at 100. 186.234. Yes, so this is the answer. 186.234. Then screen is clear, my dear, from my 40.509. 40.509. Do it. 40.509. 40 tens. So 40.509. Yes, 40.509. Chalo, C is done. Let us do D. 0.051. 0.051. 0.051. 0 is at ones place. Yes, 0 is at ones place, my dear. 0 is at ones place. So 0.051. Yes. Now let us do E part. E is 117. E is 117.24. 117.24. 1 is at 100 position. So 117.24. Yes, this is the answer. So this is the place value chart for decimal. We have written the number in the place value chart. We have written the number in the place value chart. We have written the number in the place value chart. Yes. Yes, my dear. Yes, write it, and then. Write the place value, write the following in the place value chart of decimal. After decimal it is tens, hundreds, thousands. Before decimal it is ones, tens, hundred, thousands. I have told you before decimal it is S, after decimal it is THS. That's all. That is the difference. Before decimal we have S, after decimal we have THS. Done. Okay. Now let us do ninth one. Okay, chalo. This part, write the, wait, my dear. Write the place of the underlined digit. Write the place. You have to write down the place. Write the place of the underlined digits. Write the place of the underlined digits. Underlined digits. Underlined digits, you have to write down the place. First it is 147.29. 147.29. And the other underlined digit is 7. Underlined digit is 7. What is position of 7? What is the place value of 7? Tell me. Ones. 7 is at ones. So answer is ones. Question only. No. You write down there in the question. Ones. This is the answer. Ones. Then 32.02. 32.02. And the underlined digit is 2. What is the position? What is the place value of 2? Hundreds. So we write hundreds. We write hundreds. Hundreds. THS. The place value of 2 is hundreds. Then 7.835. 7.835. And the underlined digit is 8. What is the place of 8? Tens. 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 T-N-T-H-S. Tens. The place is tens. Then 15.386. 15.386. 15.386. 15.386. Then fourth is 15.386. Underline. Okay. D. 15.386. 15.386 and 6 is underlined digit. So what is the place of 6? Array, not 100 my dear. After decimal it starts from tens, not ones. After decimal, thousands, thousands, not hundreds, thousands. After decimal it starts from tens my dear, not ones. Then E. 95.004. 95.004 and this 4 is underlined. This 4 is underlined. Yes, what is the place? Tenths. Yes, very good. Tenths. What is the place? Tenths. So this is the place of the underlined digit. Now second is write the place value. You have to write down the place value. See, ninth one, write the place value of the underlined digit. Write the place value. Write the place value. Eighth one it was place. Now ninth one it is place value. Write the place value of the underlined digits. My dear, both are different things. Place and place value is different. See here. For example, 8, 2, 3. What is the place of 2? Yes, what is the place of 2? Tens. But what is the place value of 2? Place value of 2 will be 20. Okay, so place and place value are different. Place means it is its position, whereas place value means its place means its position. For example, if you are residing on the third floor of your building, if I will ask you where you reside, you will say third floor. But in which room number, you will say 302. So place and place value. Yes, chalo, theek hai. First. 3.871 and the underlined digit is 8. So what is the place value of 8? Yes, my dear, what this is wait, this is nothing but tenths. What is the place? Tenths. Tenths means 1 upon 10, no? So for place value, I will multiply 8 by 10. 8 into 1 upon 10. 8 into 1 upon 10. So this you will read as, this you will read as not 80. This you will read as 8 upon 10, which is same as 8 into 1 by 10. So this you can write as 8. This you can write 8 tenths. 8 tenths. Okay, 8 tenths. 8 tenths means 8 upon 10. Yes, clear? 8 tenths means 8 upon 10. You can write place value as 8 upon 10 or you can read this as 8 tenths. Yes? Then 6.4. B. 6.4 and the underlined digit is 6. Underlined digit is 6. What is 6? What is position of 6? Ones. Yes, my dear. So what you can read this as 6. 6 you can write 6 into 1. What you will read this as? Tell me. Yes, anybody? What you can read? 6 ones. 6 ones. 6 ones. Okay. Then see 35.876. My dear, video is there. Video is there. 35.876. And there my video is also there. 35.876. And the underlined digit is 7. What is the position of 7? Tell me. This is at hundreds. 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 So this 7 I can write 7 upon 100. 7 upon 100. 7 upon 100 is same as 7 into 100. Okay, so this I can read as 7 hundreds. 7 hundreds. 7 hundreds. 7 hundreds. Okay. Now next is 16.04. 16.04. 16.04. D 16.04. And the underlined digit is 4. Sorry, 0. Underlined digit is 0. What is position of 0? Yes, what is position of 0? Tenths. So this 0 you can this 0 you can write 0 into 0 upon 10. Chalo. 0 you can write 0 upon 10. 0 upon 10 is 0 into 1, 0 into 1 by 10. 1 by 10. 7 into, sorry. This is 1 upon 100, my dear. 7, very good. 7 into 1 upon 100. I mistakenly I have written 100. It is 7 into 1 upon 100. 700. Very good. 0 means 0 upon tenths. 0 into 1 upon 10. What you will read this as? Tell me. This you will read as 0 tenths. 0 tenths. Okay. Then 0.007. 0.007. And the underlined digit is 7. Underlined digit is 7. What is position of 7? Thousands. Thousands. Position of 7 is thousands. Thousands means 7 upon 1000. That will be 7 upon 1000. 7 upon 1000 I can write 7 into 1 by 1000. Okay. So what you will read this as? Tell me. What you will read? 7 thousands. 7 thousands. Okay, 7 thousands. 7 thousands. Yes, everything is clear to everybody? Yes, all of you are there or not? Okay. Chalo, very quickly write down the star question. Solve the star question. Write the expanded form. Write in the short form. Chalo. Write. अरे भाई म्यूट द माइक्रोफोन. चलो माय डियर. चलो राइट इन द शॉर्ट फॉर्म. राइट इन द शॉर्ट फॉर्म. हार्डली 2 minutes are there. I will. चलो write the short form. Chalo, write the short form. Write in the. You can, all of you can see the screen or not? No. You can see the screen. हाँ चलो ठीक है. Write in the short form. Write in the short form means 400. Write in the short form. Okay. 400 into 400 plus 3 plus 3 upon 1000. Write in the short form. 10,000. Chalo, let me give 10,000. 400 plus 3 upon 10,000. Let me give you the option. Let me give you the option. Option A 43.300. B 403.30000. C 403.0000003. D 403.0003. 4 options are there. Tell me the correct option. Yes, tell me the correct option. Write in the short form. 400 plus 3 upon. All of you are able to hear me or not? Yes, all of you are able to hear me? Yes, all of you are able to hear me? Yes, Shreya Veera. Yes, Tanmay Shinde, are you able to hear me? No, I am there. Arey my dear, I am there. Send me. Send me the answer. Chalo. What tell me? Tell me. Send me the answer. Send me the answer. Send me the answer, my dear. Gar Vyas D, Pavitra D, Varun Patel D, Dhruvi D, Vivek D, Rushil D, Ansh Yadav D, Shubh D. Why D? Tell me. So that, yes. So 4 into 100 plus now 10 is not there. 0 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 0 into 1 upon 100 plus 0 into 1 upon 1000 plus 3 into 1 upon 10,000. Okay, so let us place the decimal. So this is 403.0000003. This is the answer. Yes, got the answer? So D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Yes, so now we stop here, my dear. Yes, now we stop here. Bye everybody. Bye everybody. Bye. चलो ठीक है. महेंद्र देवासी D. Very good. Bye everybody.